Hey, welcome back, everybody. It's JP with Max Tr3 Revival, and you can't tell, it's another day, another challenge, another little trying to get the frame finished up so I can get it to sandblasting. Followed my last video, I uncovered a little rot, so we're gonna see if we can address the rest of that issue, and then get the part that Frank sent me onto the car. So I got the welder broke out here. So I got my part tacked into place. Got the two replacement pieces up above, right there in the frame. I got the fan on. So let's see if we can get it done. We'll bring you back. Well, not perfect, but I think that it's definitely a whole lot stronger than it would have been getting that patch in. Got one little spot up here I want to touch up, but I don't think I see any pinholes. Looks like it's pretty solid, and I made sure I got lots of weld in there, so I have to call that a win. I think that will definitely do. A little better on the welding. See if I can get the light around on this side. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. It's pretty straight. I'll take it. So I got a little weld I'm gonna need to fill in. Once I tack it in, I think it'll fit fine. A little gap down here, get some good weld in. Pretty solid around the corner. So I think that'll work. It won't be pretty, but I think it'll be just fine. And there we go. All right, helpful tip for somebody here. It bowed out a little bit when I did this weld across this part, so it was pulling back. So I wanted to get it nice and tight up against the frame on both sides, but it was kind of twisted a little bit. So I strapped it, just pulled it in nice and tight, and get a few tack welds, and then finish it off. It's pretty good so far. I'd say not too bad for a rookie hack. I just know the welds on the back edge right here are not going to be too pretty. But, I'll get them in there, and when I'm done, I'll try and see if I can't finish them off somehow. But a good old coat of paint and some epoxy primer over it should take care of it. So far, so good. So I'd say for the most part, we're in there. Got a little more finish welding to do. I'm gonna try and figure out how to get some weld back down that edge and then right along the bottom, right here. And then of course, finish it off, but that's a pretty good repair. Lines up pretty straight. Gonna do what I need it to do. And yeah. Let me know what you think. How did I do? For a rotten piece of metal turned into this, I think not too bad a job for a garage DIYer. So here we go with the part that I was talking about, the hanger for the rear spring assembly. And I got a piece of pipe, and I got it, which is the right diameter for fitting inside. And this just gives it a little extra strength so that this is supported in case there's any kind of issue here. So what I'm going to do is just drill a couple holes in the actual pipe here, slide this in, trim it off, and then weld around the edge, which should just give it a little more support in case there's any kind of issues. I don't imagine that there will be, but I will feel more comfortable knowing it's got a little something extra. So, pipe has been picked up. I just really want to cut a couple pieces off of it, and then I'll put them in. So, any questions? Let me know. That's about it for this particular video. I do have a couple follow-up features to do as far as finish welding on the front section, and I'll just add a picture of that in probably on the next video. So thanks for following along, and I'd like to say thank you for my first 100 subscribers. I just recently hit that number. Thank you so much. You know, when I first started this venture to put out some videos, I wasn't sure if anybody would watch them. And I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much.